Description of an option agreement in real estate in Cyprus. An option agreement in real estate is a legally binding contract that gives a potential buyer, the option holder, the exclusive right, but not the obligation, to purchase a specific property from the seller at a predetermined price within a specified timeframe. Such agreements are common in Cyprus, governed by the Cyprus Contracts Law, Cap. 149, and often involve provisions from the Immovable Property, Tenure, Registration, and Valuation, Law, Cap. 224. Key elements of an option agreement in Cyprus. 1. Definition and purpose. An option agreement allows the buyer to secure the opportunity to purchase a property while conducting due diligence, arranging financing, or waiting for market conditions to align. The seller, in return, commits to keeping the property available for sale exclusively to the buyer during the option period. 2. Legal framework. The agreement is considered a legal contract and is enforceable under Cyprus law. Buyers may register the agreement at the District Land Registry Office, ensuring their right to purchase is protected against third-party claims. 3. Core components. Option fee, a non-refundable fee paid by the buyer to secure the option. This amount may be deducted from the purchase price if the buyer proceeds with the transaction. Purchase price, the agreed-upon price at which the property will be sold if the option is exercised. Option period, the time frame during which the buyer can exercise their right to purchase the property, e.g., 6 months or 1 year. Exercise of the option, the buyer must notify the seller in writing within the option period to exercise their right to buy the property. Exclusivity, the seller is prohibited from selling the property to any other party during the option period. Benefits of an option agreement. For buyers, flexibility, secures the opportunity to purchase without immediate obligation. Due diligence, provides time for property inspections, financing arrangements, or planning permissions. Price security, locks in the purchase price, protecting against market fluctuations. For sellers, option fee, receives a non-refundable payment even if the buyer does not proceed. Commitment, ensures the buyer's interest and potential future sale of the property. Legal considerations. Registration, to protect the buyer's interest, the option agreement can be registered with the land registry. This prevents the seller from selling or encumbering the property during the option period. Enforceability, the agreement is enforceable by law, and the buyer can seek specific performance, a court order to compel the sale, if the seller breaches the agreement. Title deed verification, buyers should ensure the seller has clear title to the property, with no mortgages or encumbrances, before signing the agreement. To conclude, an option agreement in real estate is a powerful tool in Cyprus that benefits both buyers and sellers. It provides legal certainty, protects the buyer's exclusive right to purchase, and ensures the seller receives compensation for holding the property off the market. However, careful drafting and legal advice are essential to ensure compliance with Cyprus law and to protect the interests of both parties.